muscle here. It's tight, man. Put this foot on top of this ankle. Yeah.
I gotta heave it in all that?
Top of the other ankle.
Yeepo.
Oh, that was crunchy. Can you do that?
I was, I don't know. I was expecting like, pop. That was like 4 of them. That was awesome.
How far down did it go? Just the neck?
It went down to about like here, like, I don't know,
Nice.
like the middle of my scalp.
Nice.
I was like, whoa. Everything, especially on this side, dude, it's just got.
I love it. I get jealous, man, because I want somebody to do that on me.
Yeah.
Flex this muscle there. The first crack, that was my finger.
Oh.
Here is a quick little hip adjustment, super easy. For the knee, sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't.
Oh, nice.